In this video, you will learn how to add and subtract radicals. Adding and subtracting radicals is very similar to adding and subtracting with variables. You just have to simplify each radical first. Now let's solve some problems. Now we have here negative 2 square root of 18 minus 3 square root of 8 minus 20 minus square root of 20 plus 2 square root of 20. So let's simplify the numbers inside the radicals first. So this is negative 2 square root of 18, or 18 can be written as can be factored as 9 times 2, minus 3 square root of 8 can be factored as 4 times 2, minus square root of 20 can be factored as 4 times 5, plus 2 square root of 20 can be factored as 4 times 5. Okay, notice here that 9, 4, 4, and 4, they are perfect squares. So we can just easily get the square root of them. Then we can write this as negative 2 square root of 3 squared, because 9 can be written as 3 squared, times 2, minus 3 square root of 4 is just 2 squared, times 2, minus square root of 4 is 2 squared, times 5, plus 2 square root of 4, which is 2 squared, times 5. Then we can get the square root of these ones. So this is negative 2. Square root of 3 squared is 3. So we can write 3 outside of the radical. Then we're left with 2 inside the radical. So that is square root of 2. Minus 3 times the square root of 2 squared is 2. Then we're left with square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 2 times 2 square root of 5. And then we can simplify this. This would become negative 6 square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5. And now we can group like terms. This one and this one are alike, and this one and this one are alike. So let's simplify that. So negative 6 square root of 2 minus negative 6 square root of 2. So we just have to add or subtract the coefficients or the numbers outside the radical. So negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. Then copy the radical, which is square root of 2. Then this one, negative 2 plus 4, that is negative 2, no, positive 2, because 4 is larger than 2. So 2 square root of 5. Then this is our final answer. Now let's solve another one. Alright, let's say we're given this negative 3 square root of 18 minus square root of 8 plus 2 square root of 8 plus 2 square root of 8. So we can factor 18, 8, and the other two 8s. So we can write this as negative 3 square root of 18 can be factored as 9 times 2, minus square root of 8 can be factored as 4 times 2, plus 2 square root of 4 times 2, plus 2 square root of 4 times 2. Then 9 and 4 here, they are perfect squares. So we can write this as negative 3 square root of 3 squared times 2 minus square root of 2 squared times 2 plus 2 square root of 2 squared times 2 plus 2 square root of 2 squared times 2. And now we can get the square root of each of the radicals. So this is just negative 3. Square root of 3 squared is 3. So we factor out 3. We put 3 outside. And we're left with square root of 2. Minus 2. Because 2 square root of 2 squared is 2. square root of 2 plus 2 times 2 square root of 2 plus 2 times 2 square root of 2. Then we can simplify this. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So this is negative 9 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2. And now we can group like terms, but everything here is alike, so we can just simply add them or subtract the coefficients or the numbers beside the radicals. So this is negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11 plus 4 plus 4. So that is just negative 2 square root of 2. So this is our final answer. Let's solve another problem. Let's say we're given this. 3 cube root of 135 minus cube root of 81 minus cube root of 135. Now let's factor the radicands first. 135 and 81. So this is just 3 cube root of 135 can be factored as 27 times 5 because 27 is a cube minus cube root of 81. 81 can be written as 27 or factored as 27 times 3 minus cube root of 135, which is 27.5. 27 times 5. Then this is just 3 times cube root of 27 is 3 cube times 5 minus cube root of 3 cube times 3 minus cube root of 3 cube times 5. Then we get the cube root of the radicals. So this is just 3 times 3. Cube root of 3 cube is 3. Cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 3 minus 3 cube root of 5. Then we simplify. So this is just 9 cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 3 minus 3 cube root of 5. And now we can group like terms. 9 cube root of 5 goes with negative 3 cube root of 5. So we can just subtract the coefficients. So that is 9 minus 3, which is 6. Then cube root of 5. Then this one, negative or minus 3 cube root of 3. So this is now our final answer. Now let's solve one more. Let's say we're given this. Negative 3 fourth root of 4 plus 3 fourth root of 324 plus 2 fourth root of 64. So we cannot further simplify 4 here because you cannot write this or factor this as a fourth. So we will just leave it as it is. So we just copy it. Negative 3 fourth root of 4 plus 3 fourth root of 324. 324 can be written as 81 or factored as 81 times 4. Since 81 is just 3 to the 4th. Plus 2 fourth root of 64. 64 can be written as 16 or factored as 16 times 4, since 16 can be written as 2 to the 4th. Then this would become negative 3 fourth root of 4 plus 3 fourth root of 3 to the 4 times 4 plus 2 fourth root of 2 to the 4th times 4. Now we can evaluate the radicals. So this is negative 3 fourth root of 4 plus 3 times 3, because fourth root of 3 to the fourth is 3. Fourth root of 4 plus 2 times 2. Since fourth root of 2 to the 4 is 2, then fourth root of 4. Then we simplify. This is -3 fourth root of 4 plus 9 fourth root of 4 plus 4 fourth root of 4. And now we can group like terms. Since all of the terms here are alike, then we can just simply add them. Okay, so we add -3 plus 9 plus 4. So that is 13 minus 3. So that is just 10 fourth root of 4. So this is now our final answer.